Not all welding operations take place at fixed workstation. During maintenance activities, quick interventions, or outdoor jobs, welding fumes quickly disperse into the surrounding environment. These applications require compact, practical, and easy portable systems. The AER range was specifically developed to provide effective fume extraction and filtration, even in the most dynamic work conditions. All models feature BIM class mechanical filtration with an efficiency greater than 99%, making them ideal for MIG, MAG, TIG and MMA welding fumes. The AER 110 and the AER 201 are 230 volt single-phase electrical units designed for practical and immediate use. The AER 45 operates executively with compressed air and is also suitable for use in ATEX environments. With an operating airflow of 110 cubic meters per hour and a weight of only 19 to 20 kilograms, they provide mobility and effectively extract where the work is being carried out. Compact, portable, and ready to operate immediately, because protecting the operator means working better wherever the job takes you.